Hey, just a little project milestone. The bike is pretty much ready to ride. I've been waiting on a couple of little things, and I've got a couple of things to do. I just got insurance on it today, so I'll probably be registering it or title or getting a plate for it soon. Um, so I had bought this exhaust system. It's a Marving. I bought it on eBay, and it came from out of the country. I didn't have a use for it right away because I was rebuilding the bike. So then a lot of time passed, and when I tried to fit it while I was assembling the bike, it did not fit. Clearly, like, there's the stock pipes have a place where they diverge to get around that oil filter, and this does not do that. It looks like it doesn't fit. And I tried to set it up there, and I had done it without without that filter in place, and uh, and it was looking like it fit, but there was no way for me to get the filter in there. I want to question my assumptions because sometimes you make errors when you don't know what you're doing or when everything's not all put together, and I clearly have that issue sometimes. For instance, I had a Falcon that I bought a complete exhaust in a box for, and I just thought it was impossible for a little while to get it fit in. And well, when I finally took the motor mounts out and lifted the engine, it worked. I got it in and it fit perfectly. So I have to kind of trust that maybe these are the right pipes for this bike, and I either need to do something a little different, maybe some different spacers or something else. But so today I'm trying to figure out how to tie it up here, but I really don't think it's that big a deal. I do have the center stand on it, which could potentially be a problem. That's why I don't want to set it on the center stand. And so I will go ahead and pull those pipes off and then get a sense for how these are fitting. And in the meantime, I may pull that oil filter off because I do want to do an oil change. And then this is a good time to do that. I've run it a little bit since I rebuilt it. Probably not long enough, but the engine had when I got it, the top had been taken off for a long time, and so a lot of stuff could have fallen in there. I did rinse and pull the pan off and everything, but it never hurts to kind of be a little bit extra diligent about filtering the engine's lifeblood. So for now, I'll stop and we'll kind of go from there. All right, now I've got you up here. I'm gonna offer those pipes up to the bike just to see how they fit. Let me grab them. Back here, you can see that this looks like it's supposed to go onto that pin right there. Let's see what we can do up here. That was my problem before. Everything else looks like it fits except for this part right here. Dang. Let's see if that goes all the way in. Yep, these still have the gaskets in them, the copper gaskets. I just replaced them. And it looks like that's in. And it's just snug up against it there. So that's my problem. Things that I've considered is getting an automotive type remote mount reservoir for the oil filter to put somewhere else where we would just have it come out with the fittings, the in and the out coming out on the side and then going up. And I think that would give me what I need to make this go up here to actually make that to align with that hole, and then they would be the right pipes. I can't imagine that they're for something else, considering the way that it seems to fit. And then also if we get like that up there, I think that well, I don't know, maybe not, because it hits right here, and it's not the center stand, it's something else it's hitting. So it actually looks like it would probably work with the center stand. So I know what I'm going to do now. I guess I could just go with some more 4-into-1s of a different kind. I could see if maybe I can take these apart right here. It looks like they might be welded. A lot of times I've seen them where they're apart, and there will be there's just 4 pipes that these go onto, and I might be able to find a different header part, or maybe I can cut it back here, get 4-into-1 header, and then mount this muffler to it. The clamp does move around, so that's kind of helpful. But in the meantime, I guess I've got these old pipes off. I'm going to see what I can do about patching some of the bigger holes in them. I'd like it not to be quite so loud with those massive pipes on there. I know that if I do something like this, it's going to be loud, and that's fine. I don't really. It's not going to be something I daily drive to work or anything like that. So anyway, that's my 550K non-progress.